This is a review about the world's slimmest watch, Titan Edge Ceramic.
It comes with a really good and hard case. It also comes with a specification card and a warranty card. This watch series comes with 5 editions and I have the black one. The model number of mine is 1696NC01 and the other colors are Atlantic Blue Matte Edition, Atlantic White, Grey and Black. All Titan Edge series starts with 1696NC0 and this is basically a gents watch. The material of this chain is ceramic and the glass material is sapphire crystal, which has a property of scratch resistance. This watch has a case size of 40mm and the movement thickness is 1.5mm. This watch has a case thickness of 4.2mm, which is equally comparable to a 2-pound coin. If we compare with the Titan regular watch, you can see a good difference in it. The lock mechanism of the watch is the butterfly clasp. This watch is an analog men's watch and you can find the hours hand and the minutes hand, but you cannot find the seconds hand. It weighs 400 grams and has a water resistance of 3 meters. The price of the watch in Indian National Rupee is 21,995 to 23,495, which is roughly around $250 and 200 pounds. I prefer you to buy this product in the official Titan website and showrooms so that you would avail a genuine product. If you buy this product in the website, you would avail a 7 days return policy. You can avail a 10 to 20% discount in the official Titan websites and showrooms during the festival times. This watch has a warranty of 24 months and has a battery warranty of 12 months from the date of purchase. When comparing to other Swiss ceramic slim watches, this is more affordable. If you want to buy this product, go through the link in the description box. People from other countries can also buy this product through the Titan link. Thank you for watching the video. If you find this module informative, then like. Comments are also welcome.